Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the shop here at 4J. We're working on a few things. I've got this 71 CJ5. It's an early CJ. It's got the short hood. It's got the V6 in it from the factory, the Buick V6. I've converted it over to automatic. So it's got a Buick Oldsmobile Pontiac Turbo 350 in it, YJ spring conversion, power steering, disc brakes with power. It's got a heater. Anyway, so a few things I need to do is I need to get the windshield wipers working again. They're messed up. I think the power valve on the carburetor might be leaking. I'm going to look at that. Don't know. And then I hooked up the kickdown cable the other day on the transmission and put a new filter, kind of serviced the transmission, and it's leaking from the pan. So I don't know if I didn't tighten the bolts right or I pinched a gasket. We're going to look at that. And then I need to finish out putting the complete soft top on for the winter so I can use this here when it gets cold. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll take you through it and we'll see how we can get her done. The thing we need to do is install the little swivel thing that connects to the rod. I'm going to go ahead and start on that. Let's see. I actually have it in here. Just kind of goes up there like that, and then there's a little notch there that it fits in. I've got the hardware. What does that do with that? Let me grab that. It came with this little gasket. I don't know if I've got one over there, but I guess I'll run it. And then like that. Now, a little tip. As you can see, it's got a spot on the back that notch is in there, and I went ahead and marked it. Get my old peepers on here. I marked it so I know when I tighten this up, it is sandwiching that correctly. Like that. Grab a wrench. Yeah, feels good. Feels kind of loose. Okay. Okay, feels tight. Now let's knock out the inside. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not, but now I'm going to hook that up to the rod. Maybe you can see it down in there. Yeah, right there. So give me a second, I'll get that done. Okay, so I got it all done. It was pretty easy, but I got it done. And then the angle inside here is about like that, so I'm going to assume that's that way. So let's get one of these on here. Yeah, it goes like that. So, okay. Didn't feel real tight, but whatever. Well, let's put the other one on. Went right on, and then this will go like that. Let's see what happens. Okay, that looked like that worked. Now I just got to figure out why that's not going on there. Hope it's the right spline. I'm gonna grab something. Looks like it. Good luck getting that off. Let's see what it does now. Yeah, I'm probably just banging it and crushing the threads. Feels pretty good. So I'm going to turn it back to there, and I'm going to call it fixed. Now, I'm sure what'll happen is I'll be going down the road, and then this will, we'll worry about that then. For now, I think that's going to work. I don't know. Maybe this is a newer one, like a newer CJ. Don't know. But anyway, that's the windshield wipers. Now let's start to the next project. Well, looking at it, I mean, it's almost like it's dripping pretty good. Let me let me see what these feel like. No, pretty tight. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. 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 Yeah, I can't get to those because of the drive shaft. Huh. Seems pretty tight, but let me look up in here. There's like a... Makes me wonder if it's the wrong pan gasket, maybe? Yeah, you can see it just seeping out of the pan gasket. Like maybe it's too tight? Huh. Okay, well. Okay, might have to get another gasket for that. So we'll just leave that alone for now. Let me make sure these are tight. Back here, I mean. Yeah, I wouldn't think they needed to be super tight. Well, I mean, I know they need to be tight, but I mean, that just seems a little. Maybe so. Yeah, they're tight now. A little too tight for me, but I'll get it out there and I'll wash it off and go run it and see if I see it leaking anymore. Might have to put I'll put a wrench on those. Okay, I'll tighten those up. I'm going to tighten those up and wipe it off, and then we'll go to the next thing. But pretty simple. Put them in like this, and then once you get kind of close, you go in the hole here, and then all the way up. Okay, there, and then that snaps there, and that snaps there. Needs Velcro right there to kind of hold that, because if not, the wind kind of comes in, but that's part of it. Dirt dauber, don't need that. Okay, well, we got the windshield wiper blade done. Don't know how long it's going to hold, but it's on there pretty good. I need to look and see if maybe the early CJs had a different spline count, but regardless, little press fit should be good. Not going to drive it in the rain, it's just in case it's raining. Tightened up that transmission pan, wiped it off. Going to drive it, see what we do there. Going to have to go to the auto parts store and get some gasoline sealer, because the carburetor, the way that power valve goes in there, it's kind of weird because you're using a Holley poly power valve, but it's not a Holley, it's a Chinese kind of, anyway, we're gonna make it work. And then got the transmission brake mount kind of beefened up. That was kind of didn't go as smooth as I thought, but got her done. Got the top on, so gonna air the tires up. Maybe turn the radio on and take her for a cruise. We'll see how she goes. Thanks for watching.